Hello guys, welcome back to my SAP sessions, my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, today what we gonna learn? In last class we have learned about SAP organizational, SAP HCM's organizational management theoretical. Guys, today we are going to start SAP HCM's organizational management practical. Okay, so what we have to do in organizational management, we have to create organization structure as per my client requirement. Okay, so for example. So we have three options. Okay, we have three same options. Let's say organizational plan, organizational staffing. From here, we also we can create all these objects. We can create, we can change, we can display. Okay, and we can create from here also. We can create department, jobs, position, work center, cost center from here as well. Okay, and we have one more option, simple maintenance, and we can create from here also. Okay, so same object, same things. Let's say if you have created that organization or organized structure, these objects, let's say department position here, so you don't need to create here also, here also. It automatically reflected there also. Okay. So whenever you are creating, you can use only one object and this will be reflecting in all these options. Okay. So why we have all these three options? Because say, if we want to create, let's say 50 payroll executives, so we can create from here only. We can't create 100 payroll executive at once from here and here. We don't have option there. Okay. And if we want to vacate some existing position, so we can't create any position vacant from here or here. From here, we can create that position vacant, obsolete. So they have different options, but normally we use this option because here we don't need to maintain relationship. We don't need to no, we have lots of, we can create a mass position creation from here also. Okay, so 99% people create their organized structure from here also. Okay, but we need, if we are using simple maintenance but some kind of relationship, we need these options. Some relationship we can't create here only na. So we, that for that reason we have to go to expert mode and create the relation between these the missing relationship here. Okay, which we can't able to create in simple maintenance. Okay, and when we use organized staffing, okay, normally we use this option when some clients is implementing SAP in their SAP software in their system, but they don't want to implement SAP HCM configuration. But for finance, for sales, for material management, for but for that reason also they need some employees, their organized structure. So for that reason, we have to create from here only. Okay. So uh, wait, we will start. Let's say we have to go to this option. Whenever we are creating any initiating the creation of new organization, we have to go to PPOC underscore old. That is to create organized structure. And whenever we want to edit, so then we have to go to change. And if we want to display only, we have to go to display. So from here, I'm going to create that organized structure for my company. So let's say I will click here and I will click here PRB HR DEPT. Okay. And here I will leave Prabhu human resource department. Okay. And here I have to click there, like what is the beginning, the validity, from which date this department is valid. So I'm taking the old date because see, whenever my client, we import the client's older system data into SAP system. Okay. So might be that is their validity, their existence is from a later date. Okay, so that's why we have to take na older date. That's why I have given here 111990. So that whenever we take data from older system into SAP system, so that will not impact. If I don't change, then system will take it as a today's date. And if we integrate data, if we transport data from older system to SAP system, then system it will give us error because this is valid from the day from which we have created this, but that department in older system was is from older date. Okay, so that's why. Okay, this is how you create your department. Under this department, you can create multiple sub department like payroll. We can create, uh, let's say, we can create recruitment department, compliance department. So how to create that? I have to select this, then I have to click on create tab. Okay, under create tab, let's say I'm creating one recruitment department. And here, let's say I'm creating one payroll department. So I'm just creating two for your learning purpose, but you can create as much as a department which if your client required this. So payroll department. Payroll department. And see, here we have only five sub departments option, but if you have 7 to 8, so then what you have to, after filling this, you have to click on further entries. The system will give you more five free tags. Okay. So right now we need only two departments. I will click save and see I have created one object under one department. Under HR department, we have created two sub departments. Now we need some positions there. Okay. And for before going to create position, we have to create jobs first. Okay. So first we have to select this, then have to click on staff assignments. Under the staff assignments here, now I have to select the department under which we have to create positions. So let's say I want to create one department head. So I have to select this and click on positions. And from here, I can create jobs. And here you will find multiple, let's say, create jobs. See here, we have lots of jobs there, but I'm creating PRB, head of departments, department, and I need manager, PRBMNG, manager, and let's say PRB ASMNG, assistant manager, and here PRB executives. So see, these are the jobs. I haven't mentioned anything here that is related to HR. So why? Because I can create from this head of department. Let's say I have three departments. Right now I'm creating HR departments, but after that I have to create finance department, sales department as well. So the same from this same job we can create their positions. Now that's why I've created this four jobs which I need. So I have to click on save tab and save. Right now I have to create PRB department head, enter. So head of department. So this is the, wait, let me this. And here I will mention HR resources. Okay. So how many department head you need? You can mention here. We can create 1,000 department head at once. That's why we used to create all this thing in simple maintenance. Okay. So right now we need only one department head. That's why I'm choosing this only one. And the validity of this position is from 01011990. Okay. And you have to choose this. No, this purely depends on your client requirement. Whatever they give you date, you have to mention there. Okay. Now, my one position is ready. Now, I will create one manager here, one manager here. So first, I want to create manager for my recruitment department. So I will select recruitment department and click on position. And here, PRBMNG, enter. So here, manager, recruitment. So recruitment manager. I need only one. So save. And here, now what I have to do? Click PRBMNG. And this is for payroll, PY. Payroll manager. Save. Now I need one assistant manager under these two objects. So I will select this and I will click here and PRBASMNG, enter, and here I will give recruitment. Recruitment manager, save, and here I need one assistant manager. So here and here I will give payroll assistant manager, pay by, save. Now I need two executive here and two executive here. So you can create multiple executive. Now I am creating only two for each. So I will click here and PRB, EXE, enter, and this is recruitment. Recruitment executive, and I need, see, I need two. So I will click here and you will see two executives. With same position, we have two positions. Okay. Now here, PRB executive, and I will click here. Let's say 4. I need payroll executive, and let's say PY, and click on save tab. So you will see 4 executive there. So we can create multiple at once. Okay. So my structure is ready. See, you can see also, if you click here, you can see graphical, let's say this is the graphical. Let me change the view option, center, weatherhead, type oriented, apply. So you will see. So this is recruitment department. We have this, and human department, payroll, under payroll we have this, under recruitment we have this. Okay, so you can see, you can change the options now how you want to say. Let's say in normal way, so you will see like this. If you want to compact, so you will see this. Okay, are you able to see now? So you can use, okay, you can take print out and put it on your documents. Okay, so this is how you create your departments. Now the next step is to assign. See, system has already assigned this of already created this department and this position relationship. If we I will show you when we go to now expert mode. But see, let's say I have to create reporting structure. System will not allow. Let's say if I want to create relationship between payroll manager, if I want to create payroll manager reports to department head, but this is not possible here. For that, we have to go to expert mode. Okay, this is not possible here. We can make reporting structure within the one departments. Okay, or sub departments. We can't create we can't make this association. Let's say for example, if I want to report assistant manager to department, this is not possible. Okay, this is possible via expert mode. Okay, so right now I'm creating reporting structure between under payroll department. So I will select this and click on go to, and here I have to select reporting structure. Under reporting structure, we have, look, see, we can assign, we can make reporting structure. So the first of all, you must aware, see, I have what I've told you, A or B. This thing we use in expert mode. Okay, but in simple maintenance, if you go here, we have two options. One is elevate for top to bottom, and for bottom top, we have subordinates. I will do each and everything. Okay. For example, let's say these 4 executive will report to assistant manager. Okay. So I have to select this and click on elevate because I have select assistant manager. So these 3 things, 1, 2, 3, 4 will report to assistant manager. Save. So you will see now assistant manager will report to that particular manager. So what we have to do, let's say I'm doing, so first we have done example, we have taken example of elevate top to bottom, but now bottom to top. This assistant manager will report to payroll managers. For that, let's say I will select this and click on subordinate, and to whom it will report, this one. Save. So now my reporting structure is done. This executive will report to assistant manager, and this assistant manager will report to payroll manager. So this same thing we have to do in this department also. So I will click on, I will select recruitment department, and we'll go to reporting structure and see, I will select this and click on elevate, and this will supervise recruitment manager, and this recruitment manager will supervise these two positions. Okay, so my thing is done. My one department structure is done. So now the only thing is remaining. I have to report payroll manager and recruitment manager to report department department head. So how to do that? First, I will take the screenshot of this page because I need this structure. No? So I will click this and paste here. Okay. So now I will go back to expert mode. So I will go to position, and here I have to give that code. So which is the code? 000 31448. 000 31448. Enter. So this is a department head. I want to make relationship. So see, some relationship already created here. So first I will check on display. See, if you see, two relationship are already created. Prabhu, head of department, belongs to HR department, one. So I haven't created, na system has already created automatically. That's why we use simple maintenance. And here you will see Prabhu, HR department human resource is described by this job. From this job, we have created this department. Okay. This department head. Now, what I have to do, I have to create one relationship. So I will click here, and from which date 010119 and 0. And what is relationship type? That is B, because this is what we are doing. We are creating relationship between department head with manager. Manager is lower position and department head is higher position. That's why I'm giving B, because B denotes top to bottom relationship, and this is same objects. Okay, so that's why I'm giving 002, enter. So system will give you only one option, position, and here I have to give that code 449 000 31449. Enter. So what system is showing? Prabhu, head of department, is line supervisor of this position. Save. Now I will change this. Let's say 50. First I will check. This is 50. Okay. And click. I will create. And from this date 010119 and 0. And here I will give A and 002. Enter. Reports to. See, B denotes, because I'm creating relationship between two, let's say this is lower position and this is a higher position. 000 31448. Enter. Sorry. So HR department. So payroll manager will report to, because A denotes bottom to top relationship. This is lower position. This is higher position. Okay. So now my one structure is ready. If you want to go, you can check. So everything is created and all the relationship is maintained. So one structure is done. So I have created one human resource department, and now this is how you see. This is the very small example. Two sub departments, only few positions I have created, because if you create multiple department, HR department, finance department, so this page will go long and you can't manage this easily. That's why we create, normally whenever we do practically, we create department wise so that we can easily manage them, and we can assign through expert mode to each other. So in tomorrow's session, I will create one HR, one finance department and one company structure there, and assign all these things to each other after creation of all this department and organizational management. Then you will know, first we create separate, then we have to assign all these things to each other. Okay. So hope you like this, guys, and please If you like this video, please do subscribe in your span. Please subscribe, please like my videos, and please share in your span. Okay. And keep tuning for my next video. This is going to be again for organization management in different way. Okay. Guys, bye-bye. Take care.